Check your connection and try again. CreateEndpoint FailedToQueue 4301, close quote dot. This is usually a network/Xbox Live Services issue. Here are some advanced steps you can try to fix it. Chat fix for grounded to CreateEndpoint FailedToQueue 4301, error 1. Check Xbox Live/T Obsidian servers. This error often pops up if servers are down. Check Xbox Live status. Please open your app to see this link or Obsidian's grounded forums. 2. Restart network and system. Power cycle router, unplug for 1 min. Restart your PC Xbox console fully. 3. Disable VPN or strict firewall. VPNs or overly strict firewalls block hosting. Disable temporarily to test. 4. Switch NAT type to open. On Xbox Windows, settings, network, ensure NAT type is open. If it's strict, moderate, enable UPnP in your router or manually port forward. Grounded uses port 37.4 UDP TCP for Xbox Live. 5. Sign out, sign back into Xbox account. On PC, Xbox app, profile, sign out, sign in again. On Xbox, log out, restart console, log back in. 6. Check for grounded update. Make sure both you and your friends are on the same latest version. 7. Use host migration workaround. If hosting keeps failing, let a friend host and then transfer items/base progress. If none of these work, it's likely a server-side issue with grounded too. Many players reported the same with error 4301, so Obsidian may need to patch it.